Welcome back to Ramanujam B classes. I think you are enjoying your vacation period. Viewers, today we are going to start another topic, quadratic equation. Before quadratic equation, I must share one thing with you. मैथ्स का आम पब्लिक के अंदर एक फोबिया है। मैथमेटिक्स को एक डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट माना जाता है, ऐसी धारणा है, पब्लिक की ऐसी धारणा है, बच्चों की भी ऐसी धारणा है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ज्वाइन माई क्लासेस, आई मेक श्योर यू विल फील इट वेरी इजी और आप किसी भी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन को बड़े आसान तरीके से ट्रिक्स के साथ यू कैन सॉल्व इट। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, दैट इज फ्रॉम 10th क्लास, and first and foremost thing which we must know, what is quadratic equation? An equation having highest degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Its stand form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But one condition is there. What is that? A must not be equal to 0. अब आपके मन में क्वेश्चन अराइज होगा, ये ऐसा क्यों लिखा, इसका क्या तात्पर्य है? What does it mean? अगर आपका a 0 हो जाता है, then it is no more quadratic equation. Then it takes form of linear equation. Why? 0 into something 0. Then this pattern, remaining pattern is known as linear equation. So how to find roots of a quadratic equation? There is quadratic formula. We shall derive today quadratic formula. How to find roots of a quadratic equation when you fail to factorize it. For example, I consider one example with you. See, I am sharing this quadratic equation with you. You can very easily solve this. X square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. Take x common. Like this you can solve it very easily. Again x plus 5 is common, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Product of these two is equal to 0. Either this one is 0 or this one is 0. What do you get over here? Minus 5 minus 3. These are the two roots of quadratic equation. Now you have seen this example. Okay, you can find roots by factorization. If we consider one more example like this, 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now factorization fails over here. You cannot factorize it. So what will you do? Now there must be some formula. Then quadratic formula came into existence. It was discovered. So today I will tell you how to derive quadratic formula. Okay, let us switch over to given quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, provided a must not be equal to 0. See, there is a method, completing square method. Completing square method. We will complete the square, then we shall solve it. First, write given quadratic equation in this manner. Now divide throughout by a. A is what? Coefficient of x square. Ax square by a, bx by a, c by a, 0 by a. Divide entire equation by coefficient of x square. ऐसा करने से क्या होगा? You will get somewhat like this: x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0 or something is 0. Now this is the constant term. Now transpose constant term to right hand side. It becomes minus c by a. What is left with you? X square plus b by a x. Now we have to make it perfect square. Now what we do? Add b by 2a whole square both sides. Euclid said that you can add similar terms to both sides, it doesn't make any difference. B by 2a means half of coefficient of x, half of coefficient of x square. It has to be added both sides. So what do you get? X square plus b by ax plus b by 2a whole square, and at this side b by 2a whole square minus c upon a. Okay, now switch over to this. What is this? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? ये किसकी आइडेंटिटी है? a plus b whole square. a plus b whole square. It means this pattern is x plus b by 2 whole square. a square plus b square plus 2ab. If you expand this one, you will get same term. It becomes b square by 4a square minus c upon a. Take LCM. What is left with you? You will write b square minus 4ac. Now take square root both sides. Take square root both sides. It becomes x plus b by 2a is equal to b square minus 4ac 4a square under root plus minus. Now plus b by 2a, it has to be that side. What do you get? Minus b by 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac under the root upon 4a square का आप स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो बन जाएगा 2a. नाउ फर्दर लेट मी रब इट ऑफ. आपका क्या बच जाता है? x इज इक्वल टू एलसीएम हमारा आ गया 2a. What is left with you? Minus 2b plus minus b square minus 4ac under the root. This is your quadratic formula. This is your quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root upon 2a. This is your quadratic formula. Now b square minus 4ac further. This is known as डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. इसको एक नोटेशन दिया गया है, नाम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. इट्स नेम इज डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. डी इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. अब बी स्क्वायर 4ac माइनस 4ac आपके पास क्या क्या हो सकता है? दिस कैन बी इक्वल टू 0. ये 0 भी हो सकता है, 0 से ज्यादा पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है. बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac लेस देन 0. 3 केसेस आर देयर. 3 केसेस हो सकते हैं. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट आपका 0 भी आ सकता है, मोर देन 0 भी आ सकता है, और लेस देन 0 भी आ सकता है. तो इस प्रकार से अगर ये फिर हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे नेचर ऑफ रूट्स. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रूट्स यू गेट. अब यहां पर जो फॉर्मूला क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला आया, कई बच्चे सोचते हैं प्लस माइनस. इसका मतलब इसमें एक रूट अल्फा है, एक रूट बीटा है. दो रूट्स की नोटेशन दी गई है, अल्फा एंड बीटा. These are the roots of quadratic equation. Once more, I must give you some brief idea. When you fail to factorize a particular quadratic equation, in that case, you can apply quadratic formula, and this is the derivation of quadratic formula. We shall discuss questions in the next video. Very soon, we shall meet for solving क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. रूट्स, नेचर ऑफ रूट्स. नेचर ऑफ रूट्स, रूट्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? रियल है, डिस्टिंक्ट है, इरेशनल है, इमेजिनरी रूट्स है. वी शैल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. गुड लक. लाइक इट, शेयर इट एंड सब्सक्राइब इट. मैथ बिकम्स इजी. स्टे फिट. गुड लक.